How to delete an Instagram comment on your Android phone. If any day any of you are an Android user and you are also an Instagram user, and any day you would like to delete a comment on your very Instagram post by anyone, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Instagram application on your mobile device. You have to find the very Instagram application, and after you find it, you have to tap on it. After you tap on Instagram like this, Instagram will be launched on your mobile device. After that, you have to go to your profile like icon and then scroll down. After scrolling down, now what you can do is you can go to your post like this, and after that, you can go to the comment section. Now, in order to delete any of the comment, what you can do is you can just tap on the comment like this, which you'd like to delete. And after you tap on the comment like this, you can see the option of delete. You have to tap on the option of delete, and this way the comment will be deleted from your very Instagram post. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.